In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rank a website using Ubersuggest in 2025 step by step. Let's dive right in and explore these essential steps to boost your website's visibility on search engines. First, we're going to begin by setting up your Ubersuggest account. Head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once there, you'll see the option to either sign up or log in. Choose whichever suits you using either Google or your email. This is crucial as it opens the door to all of Ubersuggest's features, allowing you to follow along with this tutorial seamlessly. Next, we need to carry out an audit of your website to ensure it's in top shape. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Site Audit option. Click on it, enter your website URL, and let Ubersuggest work its magic. This tool will highlight any errors or SEO issues present, like broken links, slow loading pages, or missing tags. Addressing these issues is vital as it can significantly improve your website's performance and user experience, which are key ranking factors for search engines. Now that your site is polished, let's find the right keywords. Navigate over to Keyword Ideas. Here, input a topic that relates to your niche or what your audience might be searching for, something like healthy and delicious recipes. When you're evaluating the suggested keywords, look for those characterized by low SEO difficulty, ideally under a 40, while also ensuring they have a good search volume. Long-tail keywords, which tend to be longer and more specific phrases, can be particularly beneficial as they often attract more targeted traffic. With keywords in hand, let's turn our attention to your competitors by clicking on Traffic Analyzer, then moving to similar websites. Enter a competitor's URL to check out what keywords and landing pages are securing traffic for them. This isn't just about outdoing them, but also adapting what works for them to your strategy, helping you identify content opportunities for your own website. With insights gathered, it's time to create SEO content. Use the keywords you've discovered to craft compelling blog posts or pages. Ensure that these keywords are strategically placed within the title, headings, the first paragraph, and even in your image alt text. This enhances relevance and visibility. Don't forget to incorporate internal links within your content and consider adding an FAQ section to cater to common questions your audience might have. To further amplify your reach, building backlinks is vital. Go to Backlink Overview and type in your competitor's site. This will show you who links to them. These are potential opportunities for you. Reach out to these sites to secure similar links and share your content across blogs and social media platforms to broaden your reach and credibility. Finally, keeping track of your progress is essential. Use the rank tracking feature to monitor your keyword positions over time. It's crucial to regularly check in, ideally weekly, and update older posts should you notice any drop in rankings. Constant optimization and vigilance will ensure your hard work reflects in improved website visibility. And there you have it, a complete guide to using Ubersuggest to boost your website's ranking in 2025. Until next time, happy optimizing.